Maui, there are kitty cats in your house. Hey, there are kitties in your house. Come on now. You gotta go. Let's go. You better get them. You better get them out. You better get them out. You better get them. Look. Oh, they have made a mess of your house. Oh my goodness. Look at that kitty cat. Maui, look at that kitty cat. Get her out. You better get her out. Oh dear. Oh dear. You got her out. Look at the mess they made in your house. Oh, Maui Lynn. We're going to have to get you a new box. I know. She's investigating all the damage. Look at this mess. They knocked over your chicken. They shredded your box. Oh, they just made a mess.